Hello everyone, it's Sandra and welcome to today's video. We're going to get ready together for a little summer date night, and the makeup look is super glowy. I tried to use as many cream and liquid products as possible. I have some old favorites and some new products as well that I'm really excited about. I'm using a new foundation from Clé de Peau, a new concealer, and the new L'Oreal Unlimited mascara. I'm actually really excited to be sponsored by L'Oreal in this video. I love L'Oreal mascaras. They make some of my all-time favorite mascaras. It's got a really cool wand. You can see how I apply it later on in the video. So I'm really excited to show you what my lashes look like before and after, because it's definitely a winner. If you want to see how I achieve this look and my outfit details and all that good stuff, just keep on watching. First things first, foundation. And I have a new foundation that I've been playing with. It's the Clé de Peau Radiant Cushion Foundation. I've been having a love affair with cushion foundations. There's just something about them that my skin really enjoys. I love using them. I love how easy they are to blend. I like that most of them are refillable, so I will try all the cushions. This is really nice. It has like medium to full coverage. It does what it says. It has a radiant finish. Some cushion foundations, like the Armani one, I actually will use the applicator that it comes with because the shape of that is so good. This just has a standard circle applicator, and if I'm just getting ready at home, I will prefer to use a beauty blender, but obviously if I'm on the go, I will use the applicator that it comes with. But I just find that a beauty blender gives me more control in terms of the coverage because I can start with a sheer layer and then build it up. Whereas when I use the applicator that it comes with, you get more coverage right off the bat. I just like to kind of customize my coverage. There's a slight fragrance to this foundation, but I don't mind it. It's a very clean, almost borderline citrus scent. It leaves such a nice finish on the skin. I have the shade 020, has a yellow undertone, but it's not too yellow, not too orange, it's just right. If I'm going out and I know it's just going to be like 2-3 hours, going out for dinner, for a walk, I will use that as an excuse to use all my glowy products, all my cream products, because I know that I don't need the makeup to stay on all day long, so I have a bit more freedom. For concealer, I'm using a combination of these two new concealers. I'm using the YSL Touche Éclat in shade 1.5, just on the inner corner because it's brighter, and then the Armani Power Fabric Concealer in shade number 4 on the outside. This is closer to my normal skin tone, and I find that the YSL concealer does not perform as well on areas where I have fine lines as the Armani. The Armani is like a more elegant, toned down version of the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. It's not quite as full on in terms of coverage, but the texture is just so light and so wonderful. I think if I had to choose between the two, I would choose the Armani. I do like the YSL Touche Éclat High Cover. I like it better than the old Touche Éclat because it does have a bit more coverage, but I just think that the Armani formula is a bit better, especially for my under eye concerns. I do like having one product that's in a lighter color for brightening in the inner corner, and this does a great job. So for bronzer, I'm going in with the Clarins Bronzing Primer. Going with a soft touch. I don't want this to be too bronzy. I'm just going in with a really soft hand and blending it in circles. This is a Real Techniques buffing brush. Then I just go in and make sure everything is nice and blended with my beauty blender. For blush, I'm using the Bobbi Brown Pot Rouge in the color Powder Pink. And I'm using I'm applying it pretty high up, and I just really love the finish of this blush. It gives a little bit of glow. It just looks fresh. It's not too dewy. For the eyes, I'm actually gonna do this look. I was really inspired by a post on Charlotte Tilbury's Instagram. I think she was promoting her new rose gold cream eyeshadow thingy. I don't have that, but I have a similar rose gold cream eyeshadow thingy that I'm gonna use. I want the eyes to be really subtle. So I'm using this Armani eye tint, and it's in the color number 44, which is rose gold. And I'm just using a very light layer of it. This is my favorite cream eyeshadow formula. They've recently been repackaged. They used to be in taller tubes, but I find the formula to be the same. You know how sometimes when a brand reformulates a product, it can be pretty scary. Most of the time, it's not as good as the original. In this case, I honestly can't really tell you what the difference is. To me, they're the same. But I haven't tried any of the matte ones in the new updated packaging. Then I'm gonna use my Marc Jacobs Dewdrops, the rose gold ones. I think the color is called Fantasy. And I'm going to use this on my cheeks. Going to apply just a tiny little bit of that highlight on the center of my eyelid as well. Now you could just use this by itself, but I find that layering these two, I don't know, this just gives me the look that I want. Because the Marc Jacobs is so metallic, it won't blend out into the crease as nicely as the eye tint, so I like to just focus this on the very center. I'm not going to do anything else dramatic to the eye. I'm actually just gonna use a little bit of Nude Sticks taupe just on the lower lash line, just like to give me a little bit of definition. But I want to leave the eyes pretty clean and just do a nice long and defined eyelash. So I'm using the Nude Sticks just on the outside of my lower lash line, and then just the mascara. This is L'Oreal's newest mascara. It's called the Unlimited Mascara, and it was designed after an old makeup artist hack to just bend the wands of their mascaras in order to get closer to all the lashes and to get a better grip on the wand, really get the root of the lash and get a nice lift. So this wand, it's a plastic bristle wand. It's slightly tapered, and it has the perfect shape to enable you to get in to all the lashes. You can get in all the little lashes at the inner and outer corners, and it makes it really ergonomic, and it's really easy to hold, to really get in there and get that extra lift at the lashes. And my lashes are quite straight. They need all the lift that they can get pretty much. So this is really exciting. I have used this a few times already this week, and I am a big fan. L'Oreal makes my favorite mascaras. I even worked with them when they launched their L'Oreal Voluminous Paradise mascara. So this is really exciting for me to be able to work with them on the launch of this mascara, because I just know it's going to be a favorite. So I'm first going to use the wand straight just to give me an initial length and separation. So I'm gonna do one eye at a time so you can see the kind of like with and without. So this is just the initial coat. It gives really beautiful length and separation and lift. Then I bent the wand, and I'm going to use it bent to kind of apply a second layer and really get in there into the root, wiggling back and forth. You can even use it like this if you want to use the tip. And look at that. I have very average lashes, and it's actually quite difficult for me to get this much lift at the root of my lashes, so I'm really happy with this. So again, the first coat using the wand straight, then I'm using it bent to really get to the roots, wiggling back and forth. grabbing every single lash. I love it. I love it so much. I'm so happy. I feel like a long-lashed vixen right now. For the lips, I'm using Bronzel by Lancome lip liner, just to define the shape of my lips. And then this is one of my go-to favorite summer lipsticks. It's also by L'Oreal, and it's their Color Reshine lipstick in the color Luminous Coral. I discovered this product last summer and I wore it non-stop, and I still love it this summer as well. It's just it's so beautiful. The formula is incredible. I love the way they smell. I love the texture. It gives really nice pigment, beautiful shine, and really just a perfect color for summer. I'm just going to touch up my hair, change into my outfit, and I'll be back to show you the whole look all put together. All right, so this is the finished look. Simple, fresh, romantic. I just added some waves with the curling iron. My hair before that was just air dried. Put in some texturizing spray and just a few loose waves in opposite directions with the curling iron just to get that effortless undone look, but maybe just a little bit polished. And for my outfit, I want to be really comfortable, but I still want to feel feminine and cute. It's so hot outside, so I just want to be comfortable. So everything I'm wearing is quite loose and airy. I'm wearing this camisole from Club Monaco. This is several years old now, but there are very cute similar ones on the market. I will link similar ones below. My trousers are linen from Reformation. They were actually in a two-piece set. I don't think you can get the trousers separately, but I love the two-piece, and I like the fact that I can wear the top and bottom with different items in my wardrobe. My shoes are by Castanier. They're espadrilles, and if you're looking for a really good solid pair of espadrilles, they kind of specialize in espadrilles. They have multiple different styles, multiple different colors, so you are bound to find something. I've had mine for 2 years now, and I love them. I wear them to death every summer. They're actually my only pair of espadrilles, only pair of black sandals that I wear, so I definitely reach for them a lot, and I can totally vouch for their quality. Very happy with them. I don't think this exact style is available anymore, but they, like I mentioned, they have so many cute ones to choose from. So that's about it for me. I can't wait to go share a bowl of pasta with my husband, Lady in the Tramp style. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out the link in the description box for more information on the new L'Oreal Unlimited mascara, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.